welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then hello, welcome. My name's Freya. I do lots of different videos, mostly lifestyle and fashion, budget bargain hauls, because let's face it, A, I'm a shopaholic, and B, I'm a massive bargain hunter. So in today's video, I have a very big, probably the biggest homeware, or at least one of the biggest homeware hauls I've ever done. And I recently worked with a brand called Amara. If you're yet to hear of them or never visit their website, I highly recommend you do. They do have quite a lot of designer homeware pieces, so some of them are quite high-end in terms of price range, but I'll leave links to everything that I mentioned in this video down below for you to shop along with their main website. I've also been into IKEA recently. I'm sure the vlog, because I weekly vlog, I'm sure that vlog of me going in with my mum will be up on Sunday by the time you're watching this video, so wait a few more days and you can see the vlog to this. And then obviously we popped into HOMESENSE and TKMAXX whilst we were there. We went to the Leeds Bristol one, and as you may know, if you follow me for a while, it's one of my absolute favourite places to shop, because what more do you want than a massive B&M, HOMESENSE, TKMAXX, IKEA, Swedish meatballs. I love it. So yeah, I'm going to jump straight in and show you some of the bits that I got, and if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is, just because it's right here in front of me and it's probably the hardest thing to show you, a massive rug from IKEA. I don't know the dimensions of this because this was in the, what do they call it, the bargain corner or something like that, the clearance section at the very end of the IKEA shop, where there's always like a little corner of bargain goodies. This was in there and it was reduced from £69 to £39. I love this kind of Moroccan style home decor, which you might see in this haul is a bit of a theme. I absolutely love it at the minute. If I could style my home in one way, it would be that Moroccan homeware style. So yeah, this is grey and with a bit of cream, and then on the reverse, which is the way that we've had it laid out currently, is cream with grey. So you can have it either way. I, at the minute, like I said, prefer the cream with the grey pattern, but I would happily have it either way. So let me just move this out of the way. By the way, this rug as well, you might not be able to see it in this video, but I love this rug. This is still in stock from B&Q, so if it is in stock, I'll leave it linked below. I think it's called the Eleanor rug. Love this, we've had it for ages, but it's not quite big enough to go in our front room, so that one does the job. Okay, the next biggest thing, which is probably second hardest to show you, it's a little drinks trolley. It is black, it's in this like just plain metal, it's got some hole detail in the top, and it's also got this rack section here, which I'm thinking for maybe some of my monochrome books or something. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to dress it up yet, but you'll see in a clip anyway. I'm also going to do a blog post with all of these items dressed up, so if you want to see that, then if it's up already, I'll link it below. If not, keep your eyes out for that on freyafarrington.com. This was I'd probably say more of a high-end piece. I've wanted a drinks trolley for a long time now. Even though we're not big drinkers ourselves, I just love the look of it. And it was £280, so it is a high-priced item. But what I'll try and do is find some alternative budget options and link them down below for you as well. This was gifted to me by Amara, so thank you so much, firstly. But also secondly, it is on the higher price item for someone like me, because you know I'm a bargain queen. But I love this, and this will stay with us forever. Tom loves it as well, so yes, thank you. Okay, this bad boy is from IKEA. I love this plant, don't know what it's called. I think it was something like coconut plant, because in the planter, you might be able to see, there's like a big coconut shell thing here. Okay, moving on. I picked up these from IKEA, and this is just like a set of 5 candles. Again, to go on something that I picked up from Amara. So these are just unscented. They're called Phenomen candles. They last for, the biggest one lasts for 50 hours and the smallest 15. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing Tom already opened, you'll see in the vlog on Sunday, I surprised him with a little gift. He wanted one of these with his new iPhone X that he's got because they are compatible with them. And it's just one of these wireless charging dock station things where you plug it into the wall and you can just stick your phone on top and it will charge. Okay, next up is something that I saw IKEA actually do in one of their showroom areas, which I thought was really innovative and a really good idea. Like a fairly cheap, affordable budget option, like a DIY thing, which I thought you guys would appreciate too. So pick up one of these frames for about £3.50, £3.95, I can't quite remember. The ribber frames in 23 by 23 centimetres. And inside, what they did was they put, they've got a set of 3 gift bags which you can buy. And this middle one, which is like mostly cream with a few bits of black, and then like this, the handle for the bag is like a rope. They put that in the frame, so I'll try and insert a clip of it already been done so you can see what I mean. I just thought it looked very nice, very Moroccan style with that different texture detailing. So pick that up along with this, which my mum was a bit unsure of, to be completely honest, and I don't know what Tom will think, but I really like it. It's basically like a black piece of plastic which you can shape into an elephant's head, and I'll try and insert a picture of what it looks like so you can see what I mean. To have that alongside like a gallery wall of different prints and photos, just something different, I really like it. Anyway, it was only about £4.95, so bargain little piece that looks fairly cool, if I do say so myself. Okay, next up I picked up some of these pillar candles. There's a set of 8 and they last for 10 hours each. This is for something that I have bought from Amara, so again, bear that one in mind. I also picked up this little black frame, which although they didn't do this in the shop, what I'm going to try and do is this smaller gift bag, put that in there and see how that looks. And again, these photo frames are about £1.75, so super affordable. Okay, so into the TKMAXX bag, I picked up a few wicker basket type things. The reason for this is I've got in mind, if it's already set up, I'll show you a clip. If not, I'll insert an image of what I've kind of got in mind from Pinterest. By the way, Pinterest is amazing for ideas. I have my own, so you can follow mine. I'll leave a link to it down below. But just in general, I love Pinterest, and this kind of inspired me to buy these items. So I have like a little trolley in our bathroom, which at the minute is just cluttered full of products that I don't use, so we're having a big clear out of it. And then any kind of like really nice products, my favourite ones, I'll sit in the trolley alongside maybe a plant, a couple of the toilet rolls that we've got in there, some Jo Malone candles maybe. In the image that I've seen, or a couple of images that I've seen, they have these like baskets as well to put some toilet rolls in or whatever. So this first one is actually a set of 3. This one I might not use in that trolley, I might use elsewhere in the house, maybe in front of the log burner. And then these inside, I just think they're so cool. And even just to put a plant in these as well. You get 2 of the small ones and 1 big one for $14.99. I also picked up these 2. So this one is a little white basket. Again, this with maybe a couple of my smaller monochrome books stacked up downstairs in front of a plant. Or again in the bathroom with maybe some flannels in or products in. And then this one as well, just to kind of like bring the 3 together. So if I were to take one of these little ones and the white one and then have this one, yeah. These were both $5.99 each, so really like them, cannot wait to use them. Now on to the last box, which is from Amara. I've got lots of really exciting goodies in here, which I couldn't wait to share with you. So like I said, I will leave links to everything below. As soon as these arrived and the drinks trolley, I was like, I can't wait, I need to open it and see what's inside. So I have seen these briefly, but not properly got them out yet. So this is the brand, Amara. Like I said, if you're yet to hear of it or try it, then that is the brand. Okay, so the first thing is a set of 2 of these big trays. My intention with the big one is probably to sit here on the like L-shaped part of our sofa with maybe like a couple of candles on it, or like I said, these from IKEA maybe on the smaller one. We shall see. I'll dress it up and decide how I do it and probably leave pictures on my Instagram because I love doing like homeware pictures on my Instagram too. So this is the big tray that I got. I absolutely love these. They're kind of like I said, Moroccan style. Yeah, so you can see the texture there. So this does come as a set of 2. It's from the brand House Doctor. Now, Amara do sell various brands. I've seen Ralph Lauren Home on there, Calvin Klein. These are from House Doctor, as was the drinks trolley. So it's a sort of style that I really, really like. So that is the smaller one. And then this, I absolutely love. It's something that we don't own already, but I'm definitely keeping my eyes out for more because I love it so much. It's not wicker, but it's like that kind of straw materialed basket, which, oh, look at that, it's amazing. They do have, I think, a grey one as well, like where this bit's grey, and I think they have some which are just all this colour as well, but I like white in this. It stood out to me the most. And my intention with this is to have that big coconut plant inside. So that's how I've seen it dressed up in the past and really, really liked it on Pinterest. But also I've seen stacks of books and magazines with like maybe a throw like this kind of thrown over it. There's just so many options you can do with this. And yeah, it brings such like a designer kind of feel to your home. I also picked up this candle, which looks-wise is very me, very my style. You'll see as soon as I open it. That's the brand, and it's in Oud Geranium, and it smells, oh my god, it smells amazing. Again, branding white and black, love, and then the actual candle itself is all black with a white, oh, it smells amazing, with a white label there on the front. They have so many of these in different scents, and I think they have like reed diffuser and room spray versions too. I've also got this, which I've said in the past on previous like Poundland hauls and other homeware hauls that I love concrete as a material in the home. And so I got this little concrete planter which sits in a little dish there. Although actually I would quite like to use this as a little trinket dish, or maybe to put your coins and keys in, and then just use this on its own as a planter. So there you go, you've got 2 products in one with this one. But yeah, love concrete homeware, and what I'll probably put in this one is maybe like a little succulent, like a cactus or something that doesn't need much care and attention, because I'm not the best at keeping plants alive, not gonna lie. But this next one is a nice little touch on a home, which is why I got the tall pillar candles. This is one of the reasons anyway. And it's a cute little candle holder, which for me, that just screams designer homeware. I know it doesn't look much, but just these like cast iron style candle holders I love. So yeah, really, really like that. And nice addition to our living area. Okay, so next up I'm gonna go in with this big one here. And this is the other reason why I got those tall like pillar candles. I love this. Tom's already pointed one of these out to me and said he really likes it, so I know he will love it. And it's this like 4-tier, 4-stand candle holder in this like geometric design in this black steel like metal wire. Feels very like heavy duty, sturdy, and just very, again, designer. And look, oh, I just love it. Love this, one of my favorite purchases, I have to admit. In fact, I like everything that I got, I really, really do. This is like probably my most favorite homeware haul I've ever done. And then last but not least, you should see all the bubble wrap and boxes that are around me right now. The last piece that I got is this, which again, something very similar in terms of candle holder, black, geometric, metal wire, very me. This is like a cute little lantern, I think they called it, but obviously you'll see what it looks like when I've opened it. So yeah, they call this a hidden night lantern, and that's what it looks like. As you can see there, you could just put a little tea light there as is already, or it does come with a little glass pot to put it in. So there you go, that's the little glass pot already in there, but like I said, you could just put it with a tea light just in there, and then even use that as an extra little tea light holder. I quite like it just as it comes. So yeah, that, guys, is everything that I picked up. I know it's a fairly big one, fairly exciting, at least for me anyway. I cannot wait to dress all these up and have them around the house. I know Tom's gonna love it, and I'm so excited. I particularly love these because we are loving putting big plants in our house at the minute. I want to get more in our bathroom as well, actually, so that's on the agenda. But yeah, hopefully you picked up some inspiration and have found some items that you might want to shop yourself with the links that I'll put down below. And again, I'll put some budget alternatives. If you like my kind of style, the minimal, monochrome, Scandinavian, concrete, then I hopefully will link some exciting bits for you down below as well. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it and if you want more homeware hauls from me. And as always, I will leave all my social media links down below. Please, please, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It would mean so much to me. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye, guys. Okay, we are filming. I feel like my knees are gonna hurt in a minute. I recommend you do. They do have quite a... Oh God, it's lost a wheel. Okay. So I can put them on the drinks trolley. How convenient. And he was happy with that. Oh God, I'm getting uncomfy already. Okay, next up is something that I actually saw. Do I need to move the camera down? No. They're like a black plastic head thing. Sorry. Cool if I don't see. If I do. Onto the last box, which can't speak. Here on the end of our sofa. It's by Urban Apothecary. I don't know. I can't wait to.